This is our electric fence braided rope. It is 400 meter long, 4 millimeter wide. High visible red and white color make people and animal aware of electricity fence in far distance. Suitable for temporary, semi-permanent, and portable fence. It has a long using life, for it contains 3 stainless steel wires and 3 copper wires, stronger than aluminum wire. Blocking effect is better than normal products in market. Won't rust with UV protection. Solid products set easily and not easy to fall off. Used with fancy reel. Easy to weld your wire in and out. Could be used many years. It could save you time and money. Lightweight and portable. Easy to install, repair, and supplies. Could be reused many times. Pulling force up to 200 kilograms. Does not rebound when broken, but drop safety to the ground. Besides, we have many other products.